In this video, we will talk about how to fix search bar not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Restart Windows Search Service. Press and hold Windows icon on your keyboard, then press R, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services window, locate Windows Search. Right-click on it and select Restart. Again, right-click on Windows Search. Select Properties. Here you have to ensure the startup type is set to automatic. Method 2. Run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Press and hold Windows icon on your keyboard, then press I. Click on Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Then Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and select Search and Indexing, and click Run the Troubleshooter. Select your option and click Next to run troubleshoot. Method 3. Rebuild the search index. Press and hold Windows icon on your keyboard, then press R. Type Control and click OK. Change the view by to large icon. Click on Indexing Options. Now click on Advanced. Under the Troubleshooting section, click Rebuild. Click OK to confirm. Here you can see rebuild process is started, and it may take some time. So that's how you can fix search bar not working in Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.